For those of us not happily shacked up, the idea of a locked down Valentine's Day had us chuckling smugly into our microwave meal for one. But with 40 million Brits still planning to celebrate this year, here at Finder we set about checking text messages and calling the office when you were least expecting to find out how people plan to celebrate and whether the pandemic has caused you romantics out there to tighten your purse strings. Take a look. With options to celebrate Valentine's Day looking more measly than a bunch of petrol station flowers, the 76% of Brits still planning to celebrate will need to get creative. When it comes to couples that don't live together, our romantic research revealed that a quarter plan to go virtual this V-Day, celebrating their love via video messaging or over the phone. Almost 1 in 5 will opt for a wintry walk with their partners, while 14% will be exchanging gifts. Despite national restrictions, we found that 30% of couples that live apart planned on breaking the rules this year to spend some time together indoors, of all places, proving once and for all that love knows no bounds, or government legislation. And what about couples that do live together? Surely they've got some super exciting stuff up their sleeves. Well, we found that our cohabiting couples, above all else, just fancied a nice bit of dinner, with 27% planning to celebrate with a takeaway and 26% planning to cook a special meal. Closely followed by 21% who plan to just binge a TV box set or enjoy a movie night together. Looks like a wild night for everyone. While 76% of the population, that's 40 million Brits, might seem like a lot of people celebrating Valentine's Day this year, it's actually a significant drop from 2020, where we found that 41.4 million people embraced the Day of Love. And not to get too cynical, but we've seen a similar downturn in the amount of money people are willing to spend on prezzies for their partners. In 2018, the average spend on V-Day gifts in the UK was a fairly reasonable £28 per person. By 2020, Lotharios had loosened their purse strings with an average spend of £35. But in 2021, our research revealed that Brits' average spend could be as low as £23 per person. Sorry guys, turns out you can put a price on love after all. Naturally, the pandemic will have taken its toll on a lot of amorous spending. But we've also seen an uptick in the trend of money-free Valentine's Days, where couples opt to celebrate without spending a penny. In 2020, 18% of Brits jumped on the trend, and in 2021, 26% planned to give the gift-free vibe a go. Of those who plan to celebrate this year, we found that 55% of men were willing to splash the cash, with the majority looking to spend between 11 and 20 quid. Whereas only 45% of women were willing to part with their cash, and most planning to spend below £10. When it comes to spending, our study found that London was the UK's most romantic region, with Londoners looking to drop just under 40 quid this Valentine's Day. The East Midlands are clearly eyeing those petrol station flowers, with an average spend predicted around 16 quid, making them the lowest spenders in 2021. Generation Z has overtaken millennials as the UK's highest spending age group this Valentine's Day, planning to fork out a whopping 41 quid on average for their loved ones. Whereas by contrast, baby boomers are only planning to spend an understated 11 quid on their 2021 celebrations. Whether you're smugly single and planning to save your pennies this year, are hell-bent on breaking the rules, or simply looking to binge a box set with your favourite takeaway and person, we'd love to hear what you think, so leave us a comment below. For more information on our Valentine's Day research, head to finder.com/UK. Links are in the description below. And stay tuned for our next Finder study, uncovering the truth behind some of the UK's top trends. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel right here. Happy Valentine's Day, and thanks for watching.